it's still sunny. Very Vlogmas day 22. The voice is back. No idea why. Feeling a bit bleh again today, but never mind. So I haven't given it to Dad yet. That's a bonus. So 22, there we go. It's there. Let's try not poke me in the face today.
No. Kilo Sproten.
Sproten. They kind of look like little fish. I think we're going back on the medicinal route here. You need to read the comments for today's vlog because Jojo's given you a word for the next one that is yummy for you.
All right.
Yes. They are the little fish.
They're little fish, yeah. They have no aroma. Very soft, actually. Mild. Soothing. Tasty.
After yesterday, though, they're a bit
After
of a
yesterday.
letdown.
But I won't throw them out.
No.
No, I'll give it space.
Okay. In its little bag. Yeah. And Mum?
Number 22. Very Vlogmas.
We got it right today.
Why? What does that
You
say?
can say Merry Christmas up until.
Oh right.
Ooh. It's an orange one.
Gyandija.
I think you liked that one as
No,
well.
I think I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's orange. Oh, and it's dark.
It's definitely not coconut, you're safe. You've eaten this one and liked it. Because I got a hot chocolate of the same variety. Hazelnut or something.
Hazelnut.
Good.
Lovely.
I've got another word for this
Your
licorice, which is
fish.
still here. It's a tooth smotherer. I'm not going to show you, but look, it's sticking to my teeth. I can't get it off my teeth.
Tooth coating, literally. 22. I'm getting defeated by cardboard again. Classic hot chocolate.
Hey!
There had to be one. This one I have some of those Monin syrups that they use for coffee in coffee shops. I have those, and I could use I've got a raspberry one, which would be quite nice in this. So
You could just have plain hot chocolate.
oh no, not after all the exciting flavours I've been having. I do feel a lot better, but I'm still out of breath walking up to mine from the main house. And I mean, I know I'm not fit, but I can do that without getting breathless. So yeah, I think it's going to be another day in bed, which kind of sucks. But never mind, I have got stuff I can do. Some bits and pieces arrived this morning that I need to wrap up, so I'm going to do that. Some pens arrived yesterday, so I can play on my bullet journal some more, so I'll show you what I get up to a bit later. Emails, I have some emails to answer, and I think I have enough of a brain this morning to try and do that. I've had, I'm not sure if this is Candy or Mary, but I've had a parcel force thingy that I've got to pay customs fees on a parcel that's come in. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll let you guys know, because Mary, my parcel's not arrived yet, but please don't worry. I've already had a pattern from you, which was really, really lovely, and it would be very nice to have something to open after Christmas if it doesn't arrive in time. And Candy, yours, like, you sent me a message last night saying it was still yesterday saying it was still due to be delivered on the 19th. So I love the way that they're going to go back in time and do that. But I think this might be it, because I think they might. We were all in yesterday when they said that they tried to deliver it, so yeah, we shall see. Anyway, I'm going to get on and do a few bits and pieces, and I will speak to you in a bit. I actually managed to make it out of the house today with parental supervision. Dad very kindly took me down to the shops because Chiana needed food, and Mum very kindly offered to go and buy it for me so that I didn't even have to leave. But I went. I was exhausted, absolutely exhausted. So yeah, definitely not better yet. Fine as long as I'm not moving, but the minute I try and do anything, it's not good. So today's vlog is really, really short because I have literally been stationary for the majority of it. So I hope you have enjoyed, and I will see you all tomorrow for, fingers crossed, something other than me sitting here. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Merry Vlogmas Day 23, peeps. You'll have noticed that there was no vlog that went up this morning. I did film and I edited, and there was about 5 minutes of it, so I decided that it was literally calendars and me moaning about being sick again. So yeah, and today not much better. But we're going to do calendars, and we're going to do Mum's calendar first because she's in a rush.
Bug that seems to keep on giving.
Doesn't it just? Where is 23? 23 is down here.
Hello, Christmas peeps! No, to me do that.
No, that's brilliant. Carry on. There you go. You're in a rush, woman.
Yeah, I'm in a hurry.
Oh, it's blue. Have you had a blue one
That's
before?
unusual. Cappuccino!
Yes, you had a blue one before. That's why you didn't
And it's still there!
Yeah.
Thorn
gonna add
hasn't
it.
had his yet. That's disappointing. I'm just on my way out.
Does it have Monty Bojangles?
Yes.
Yeah.
23.
Ooh. They definitely look like rabbit droppings. Sorry.
Is that Ike or elk?
Elk codal.
Elk codal.
Could be.
Could be elk droppings.
It could be elk droppings. Worrying. Hopefully they taste better than they look.
Well, I'll tell you, they taste like elk droppings.
I'm sure you will. We'll have another repeat of the blip, 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 blip.
Well, they're
Hard?
Well, they're hard.
Keys are there, Mum.
Oh, they're slightly fruity. Oh, they're very nice.
That's good. They don't look
They're
it. Oh, strong?
Oh, they're strong.
Yeah?
Mmm.
Look.
Strong
They're only
milk.
small, but
Rabbit poop.
that's probably why they're small.
Added one
Oh, eye-watering. They're Titanic.
Oh,
Titanic.
wow.
Oh,
Well, there we go.
I like them,
That's good.
actually. Despite the power. Excellent.
23.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Mm.
23. So I have white and nut hot chocolate. I can pretty much guarantee that I'm not going to drink this. But Dad might like it for his coffee.
What's that?
The white and nut hot chocolate. Because you have sugar in your coffee. Hmm?
Mm.
See you soon, Mum.
Yeah, I'll give that a go.
Yeah, there's another coffee chocolate as well.
I'll go on that one. That's not at all like coffee chocolate.
Is it not?
No,
What's it like?
nougat.
Oh, don't tell Mum, she'll be upset.
It's rather nice, actually.
Yeah. This little one's been keeping me company all day, but she's also been holding me captive. I don't think she cares. I have crazy professor hair going on again. So yeah, definitely gonna book a doctor's appointment tomorrow, because although I don't feel so bad anymore up here, it's still really bad here, which is definitely not fun. And going out yesterday, I think, was a bad idea because it's knocked me for 6 again today. But never mind, never mind. I put a message out in the Peeps group earlier just saying that I was getting really fed up of this area of being in bed, and for anyone that knows me well, I love my bed. So yeah, I'm getting very frustrated. But never mind. I even got to the point where I was like, oh, maybe I could reorganise my fabric stash, because at the moment I have it kind of grouped in types of fabric, and I was thinking I could channel my inner Emily Hallman and perhaps organise it by colour. And I was like, oh yeah, let's do that. And then I realised it took me hours last time I did organise my fabric stash, and I ended up being up till the middle of the night, and it's definitely not a peaceful and relaxing job. So getting out of breath walking 20 metres, probably about 5 minutes after I started fiddling around with my fabric stash, I'd end up in breathless heap on the floor. So I haven't, but I have thought about it. I have also just finished washing some fabric that arrived the other day that I haven't shown you yet. It's another textile centre order. I think they'd emailed me or something. I can't remember exactly why, but I'd gone on the website to have a look, and they'd got this viscose back in stock that I had tried to order previously, and they had run out of it, so they said, and they'd refunded me for the whole amount. And when that previous order came, they'd sent me what they had left of that one colourway, which was just over a metre of this fabric. Anyway, long story short, cool story bro, I went on the website and they had 6 meters of it back in stock. So I bought 6 meters of it because I have, like I say, just over a meter of what they sent me previously, and I have a feeling, Dad's not seen this one yet, but I have a feeling that Dad might be like, ooh, shirt. So yeah, I have 6 meters of that one, and if you order over £35 worth on the textile centre you get free shipping. So, you know, I had to make up the order and so I bought some of this velvet, which is an icy blue, I can't remember exactly what they called it, but I bought 3 meters of this. And then they also had this velvet, which I absolutely fell in love with, and I bought 3 meters of that one. And I'm thinking both of those are going to end up being the Vogue 9199, because that pattern, I can get that pattern out of 3 meters of fabric with it all going in one direction, because that was what I cut my orangey black one out of, was 3 meters of fabric with the directional print. So, and obviously with velvet you have to take into account the nap. You want the whole, all of the nap to be going in the same direction. So yeah, I think that's what these two are going to be, and that's what I was hoping to be making over this weekend, was those 2 dresses for Christmas, because they would be super comfy and then also look quite festive. So yes, I have new fabric, which is exciting because I don't clearly have enough fabric at all in my stash. Yeah, I don't actually think there's room for these ones to go in there. That was another reason for me thinking about reorganising it, but yeah, I did not. I have not. So I do need to change the sheets on the bed, so I'm going to attempt to do that slowly now, because like I say, I'm getting out of breath at just the smallest things. And then I'm going to book a doctor's appointment in the morning to see if I can maybe get an inhaler to help with the shortness of breath, because the cold section of this has gone. Like, I still have a sore throat, but it's not as bad, and I'm still coughing, but that's not as bad. But yeah, my chest is still really tight, so Mum said it's worth going to the doctors just to see, just in case it's an infection of some kind or another. Just go see what they say. The phone's going crazy back there. Anyway, I'm gonna change the sheets and I will talk to you in a little bit, because I haven't really talked to you very much today. But yeah, again, sorry for sickness. Changed the sheets and I'm exhausted again, but never mind. So I'm so sorry that the last couple of days have not been terribly exciting, but that's life. As I think I've said like a million times now, daily vlogging, being sick, one of those things. I am determined to be better for Christmas, even if it is literally a case of me transplanting myself from this horizontal position to the horizontal position on the sofa. It's going to be lovely and chilled and relaxed, and I'm very much looking forward to it. I'm very excited about all the presents under the tree. I really can't wait to see what Mum and Dad think of their presents from me. I think that's one of the nice things about giving gifts, is them seeing the person's reaction to it as much as it is getting things for yourself. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a night now and basically chill for the rest of the evening again. It's very frustrating because I feel, like I keep saying, I feel fine here. The cold has gone pretty much, but I'm just exhausted the minute I try and do anything. So I'm not going to push it. I'm going to listen to my body and not overstress it, not overtax it, and just take it easy, which is fairly easy to do at this time of year. At least I've got this sick at this time of the year, when I'm allowed to be chilled. I'm allowed to eat all of the yummy food and watch all of the crap TV. So yes, anyway, on that note, I am going to call it a night, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.